Do you know when to use the t suffix in Hungarian? Let's see if you can get all 13 of these accusative case questions right. Good luck! What is the accusative marker in the Hungarian language? The t sound. Ajtó, ajtót. Door, the door. When do we use the accusative case? When the verb acts on something or somebody, which becomes a grammatical object. I'm feeding the dog. Én megetetem a kutyát. I is the subject, feeding is the verb, the dog is the object because the dog receives the action. Én is the alany, megetetem is the állítmány, kutyát is the tárgy in Hungarian. Please note, we do not like using pronouns in sentences, and we do not like starting sentences with én. Which question words may help you find words in the accusative case? Kit, mit, kiket, miket, miet, milyeneket, mennyit, hányat. Please note that these words all end in the t suffix. When you translate them into English, who, what, whose, which ones, how much, how many, they can be confusing because they can also refer to the subject instead of the object, so don't use them. Which word categories can take accusative case markers? Nominals. What are the nominals in the Hungarian language? Nouns, adjectives, numerals, and pronouns. Like 5, which is a numeral. Nagy, big. It's an adjective. Ház, house, is a noun. Tied, yours, is a pronoun. Can you put these words into the accusative case? Nagy, ház, tied. Ötöt, nagyot, házat, tiedet. Which linking vowels may I use before the accusative marker? The e or ös, such as kabát, kabátot, fehér, fehére, ötöt. Can any other vowel appear before an accusative marker? Yes. For example, the o sound. Ház, házat, hal, halat. Do you know why? Because some words are very old and retain their ancient vowel ending forms, which occasionally reappear in agglutination. For example, fish, the fish, is hal, halat. Road, the road, becomes út, utat. Please note, after receiving the o linking vowel, the original vowel in the stem is shortened. Horse, the horse. Ló, lovat. After receiving the o linking vowel, the other vowel in this is shortened, and the word receives an extra consonant, which we consider is the original stem of the word, the ancient. How do you decide which linking vowel to use then? The last vowel of the word will determine which vowel to use. The back vowels will attract the o sound. The o is a back vowel. Kabát, kabát. The front vowels pick the vowels according to the movement of the lips. Unrounded front vowels will take the unrounded e sound. Fehér, fehére. The rounded front vowels will take the rounded ö sound. Öt, ötöt. What may happen to nominals if they end in an o or e sound? The vowels will be stretched and may become long vowels. O, a or e. Apa, dad. Opát, the dad. Cseresznye, cherry. Cseresznyét, the cherry. Can any other suffix appear before an accusative T marker? Yes, possessive case markers, which are o, e, yo, ye endings, but because of the T, they'll become a, e, or ja, je. Nadrág, nadrágja. Cipő, cipőjé. Why would an a, e, or ja, je possessive marker appear before an accusative marker? The speaker may also need to use the word in the possessive case. Szeretem az erdő, vadvirág. Szeretem az erdőt, a vadvirágot. Please note the word erdő ends in an open vowel, which attracts the accusative case marker without a linking. Szeretem a jó és az igazság. Szeretem a jót és az igazságot. Szeretem a könny, a titkos csönd. Szeretem a könnyet, a titkos csöndet. Szeretek mindenki. Szeretek minden. Szeretek minden. Szeretek mind. Try harder. Szeretem az égnek csillagtábor, csillagtáborát. Szeretem a földnek parányi por. Szeretem a földnek parányi por. You have learned how the accusative case works, and that means you can finally start making real Hungarian sentences with subjects, verbs, and objects. Check out the next video to see how it all comes together. See you there.